All right, so welcome again to Military Gune Sports TV. Yeah, keep up. Still trying to adjust to the sports TV aspect of things. So the Reggae Boys under 20 team played against the Westmoreland under 20, and I got back some report. I got back some report, and this report actually from two persons. One who was actually on the standby watching the game, and someone from the opposing team. They played for the Westmoreland team. We had some discussion. They spoke about ineptly about the Reggae Boys team, the under 20 team, what they saw. One thing that they didn't they realized, and we're going to get into those aspects, and going to give you the goal scorers. I think you guys must have known the goal scorers already. In-depth analysis from the reports that I've got, and we'll discuss them. But before I get into that, as you know, still trying to help the channel get back into the YouTube algorithm and back up on track. So please, guys, smash the like button. I would really, really appreciate it. That is the only thing I'm asking for you guys to hit the like button, and most definitely hit that subscribe button if you're here for the first time. So let's get into the book. All right, so let me start off. Two goals from Jerome Barclay, and one from Raheem Brown. So those are the two goals. Jerome Barclay and Raheem Brown. Jamon Barclay and Raheem Brown. So those are the three goals. The three goals goal scorers. Two players scoring three goals. Yeah, those are the goal scorers. Anyways, let's move on from that. So, standout player, Romain Blake, Raheem Brown, Barclay, Aldridge, Duncan McKenzie. These are the players who actually were standout players. Now, from what I've got, the reason why they stand out, basically the most outstanding player this is coming from the player that played against them. He said that Romain Blake was actually phenomenal. He said Romain Blake was on a different level from everyone else, and that is something I would definitely expect. He did say that they breached the defense a few times, maybe about 3 times. Got a 1v1 and they hit the bar. So he said poor work from the striker. Nevertheless, Aldridge said was untouchable. You can't get close to him. He was very good at the ball at his feet, very good in moving the ball, very skillful. McKenzie, active all over the pitch, getting involved, and Barclay, just lethal, just very, very lethal. But nevertheless, they said it was a good encounter, and they did learn a lot. They said that in regards to the team performance overall, they said the team looked fit. The team looked really, really fit and sharp. They said they look like a cohesive unit, and they capitalize on the minor error. I will be touching on these specifically. Then now he said they keep recycling the ball. They keep possession of the ball really, really well. They said that they try to use aggression on them, to outpossess them or to get at them, but it didn't really work. So let's get into the aspect of each one of these things that I highlighted. So let's start off with the aggression aspect of it. He said that the team tried to get a little bit more aggressive, but most definitely the aggressive aspect of it didn't really work, because the players were moving the ball quite nicely in and around the team. But he said at one point the strikers were actually arguing, and they were getting frustrated because they weren't receiving the ball, and because the defenders were playing the ball around a lot. I do understand that, because if there's no channel, makes no sense go long. Keep the ball, keep recycling the ball, and the door will eventually open up, and when that door opens up, you must take that opportunity. So I do appreciate that aspect. When you have the ball, the opposing team cannot hurt you. That's the first aspect of it. So the aggressive aspect, keeping possession, as I just mentioned, the recycling of the ball, as I said, that's quite important. I like that. Makes no sense going long when there's no option, or just booting the ball in the channel. You only do that when you're playing against a team that is high pressing you, and they left the wing backs flat. The wing backs are going flying, and there's huge gaps in behind the wing backs. You can just boot it in those channels. In the event that the striker or the wide forwards are quick enough to get into those channels. Secondly, capitalize on the minor errors. So he said that the defensive aspect of it, the defenders lapse quite a few times. They lapsed like 2 times, and he said that Jamon is quite lethal. He said Barkley was very, very lethal in how he approached. He got the opportunity without a doubt. He put it on the left foot and just hit it hard and low. The keeper had no chance at all. He said that Barkley was pretty much extremely lethal up front. No, that is quite good. I like the fact that we're taking even the marginal half chances, which shows that we have that lethal or clinical edge in how we approach a football game. That is a good aspect of what we are trying to do. That is a very good aspect in what we want to do going forward. Travis Pessoa was at the game. I didn't get much information. I only got the goal scorers from Travis Pessoa. Let me check. Give me a second, people. Just Jamon Barkley, and I said Barkley. Is it Barkley or Bartley? I think it's Barkley. I'm quite sure it is Barkley. Yeah, it's Barkley. And so it just give me that aspect of it. Secondly, so cohesive and minor. So it's quite good that we are capitalizing on the minor errors. That is a part of our game that, especially in Jamaica, we lack that aspect, that clinical cutting edge in taking the small marginal chances. Sometimes football, some games will be about the fine marginal errors or the fine aspect of the game, and it is. I like the fact that they are taking their chances, even the half chances that they got. They utilize it, they capitalize on that half chances. Secondly, the team look cohesive. I would understand the reason why the team looks so cohesive, because you have a core set of players that has been in the camp since day one, since the first date of camp. So you would expect that they going along with the continuous addition, you still have that core set of players. So you have that level of cohesiveness. You have those set of players who are there. They understand how each other play. So I do understand the aspect of the reason why the team look that cohesive. Fitness. Now he said that quite a few of the players that they saw quite a few of the players with ice with ice on their legs and all those aspects. But the team on the pitch was very, very fit. They said it could also be the reason why, because they didn't do a lot of training, maybe about a week or so training they had, or a few days training that they had to prepare for this game. So they said that the under 20 team look very much way fitter than they are. They're moving the ball quicker. They were way more aggressive, and the pace of how they're passing the ball and moving, it was quite evident that the under 20 team was vastly a lot more fitter than the Westmoreland under 20 team. So these are the reports. There can be a lot more to discuss. I don't have any more information. This is a small amount of information that I've gotten, and I'm giving it to you guys. That is it. If you guys see anything different, if you guys hear anything different, you can go in the comment section. Tell us what you think or what you have heard differently. I would totally understand it, because everyone sees football different. This is from someone who's on the sideline, and also one of the players from the Westmoreland under 20 team. They are the one that gave me the information. I do apologize. I got a clip, but you'd have to go on my Instagram to see that clip. That is where they sent me that clip. And just I have a few pictures, so they send me that clip in particular, so you'd have to go on my Instagram and also on my Twitter to see that clip. But anyways, I won't go any further. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Until next time, this has been really a good one. Hit the like button, people. Please guys, hit the like button, and also most definitely smash that subscribe button if you like this video. Just do it if you like this video. If you don't, go into the comment section and tell me what you do not like, and I will most definitely try to correct it. Anyways, until next time, MG Sports TV, Military Guna Sports TV, we are out.